Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how you can migrate your existing Salesforce files related to Salesforce records into Google Drive. This will allow you to start file migration jobs for various Salesforce objects and track the progress of existing jobs. You can also start migration jobs for multiple objects or multiple migration jobs for the same object simultaneously. Let's see how this works. Click on the app launcher and search for G-Link Salesforce Files Migration and open it. It will open a screen where you can set various criteria for the new file migration job. Now let's start a new migration job for files related to account records. Salesforce has two objects to store documents. Select the right object in Salesforce File Object. If you want to migrate Lightning Salesforce files, then select Salesforce Files. Or if you want to migrate Classic Notes and Attachments, then select Attachments. After that, select object whose related Salesforce files needs to be migrated. Let's select the account object. In Salesforce Parent Record Filter Type, you can see three filter types that will help you filter parent records whose related files need to be migrated. If you want to migrate Salesforce files related to all records of the selected object, then select All. If you want to migrate Salesforce files related to records older than specific days, then select Parent Record Age and give the age of parent records in days in the Parent Record Age field. Suppose I give 30 days, then files related to accounts which are older than 30 days will be migrated. If you want to migrate Salesforce files related to records returned by a SOCL, then select SOCL filter and give the SOCL where condition in the SOCL where clause for parent records. So if you want to migrate files related to account records whose type is prospect, then provide type is equal to prospect in SOCL where clause. Let's migrate files related to accounts older than 30 days. All the above filters are for the parent records of files. But if you want to add filters for the Salesforce files or attachments, then give the where condition in the SOCL where clause for Salesforce files or attachments. Suppose if you want to migrate files with extension PDF, then provide content document.file extension is equal to PDF in SOCL where clause. If you want to upload the Salesforce files into Google Drive and also want to delete them from Salesforce, then check the Delete Migrated Salesforce Files Attachments checkbox. One criteria is provided, click Start Migration. This will start a file migration job and display a success message. You will also see your job in progress. From there you can track the progress of the job. The time to complete the migration will depend on the number of parent records and files returned by the criteria you provided. You can also abort the job which is in progress by clicking Abort Action from the job. You can also schedule recursive Salesforce files migration jobs for your objects. Let's see how this works. First, provide the criteria for the files migration like we did earlier in this video. We will use the same criteria. Once criteria is provided, click on the Schedule Migration button. This will open a screen where you can set the frequency of recursive migrations such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the time of the day when migration should start and preferred start time. If you want to run the migration every day, select daily. If you want to run the migration on a specific day of the week or multiple days of the week, select weekly and choose weekdays on which it should run. If you want to run the migration every month, select monthly. After that, select a specific day of the month or select a specific week and weekday of the month on which migration should run. Once the frequency of migration is set, click the Schedule button. This will schedule the migration job and a success message will be displayed. Thank you for watching.